So scale degrees don't have to be confusing. When you hear someone mention a flat third or a minor third, they're talking about lowering the third tone of the major scale 1/2 step. So no matter what major scale pattern you're playing, get to the third note and lower it. And there's your minor third, also called a flat 3. Okay? So you'll hear other terms like minor 7th. That's just a flatted 7th. Minor 6th. You flat the 6th. If something is augmented, like the case of an augmented 5th chord, then you're going to raise the 5th 1/2 step. So in the case of this pattern of the major scale, you find that 5th and you raise it 1/2 step. There is your augmented 5th for that chord. So it doesn't have to be confusing, but it is very important, and that's why I was saying about Dorian to know the spelling. It is very important to know the spellings of your modes, and no matter what form of the major scale you're playing, then you can just modify that easily and figure out how to play the mode in whatever position you are. You just have to know the spelling. So back to Dorian, it's a root and a 2 and a flat 3 and then a 4 and then a 5 and then a real 6. So that's a little different than the natural minor scale that you've been playing. And then a flat 7, and then a root. So learn that scale spelling. 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, and root. And then you'll be able to duplicate that using any of the major scales that you know anywhere on the neck that we've been over. So I hope that helps you with spellings. Stick around, we'll do all the spellings in the next few videos for all the modes.